Aku.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, already previously we discussed about the exercise 1.5 sums related to the logarithms. Now we will discuss the page number 23, fourth Roman. Expand the following. By using the logarithm laws, we have to expand the single logarithm. Okay, first question is log 1000. Log 1000. Okay, we want to expand that one. That means we have to expand means we have to write in the form of we have to write expand form means we have to write a log x plus log y form or log x by y form we have to expand. Okay, now what is the number here given? Log of 1000. For 1000 take factorization. For 1000 take factorization. With 5 table I want to start. With the prime numbers we have to take factorization. 5 table. 5 2 just 10. 2 just remaining. That means 5 200 just 1000. Again with 5 table. 5 4 just 20. 1 0 is remaining. 0 keep here. Okay, next 5 8 just 40. 5 8 just 40. And 2 table. 2 4 just 8. 2 2 just 4. Now we can write a log. Here base not given means that is take as a common base 10. Common base 10. Then no need to write here. Directly you can write a log of 1000. Log of 1000 we can write as 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, that means 5 how many times repeated here? 1 2 3. Okay, 5 power 3 multiply. 2 is repeated 1 2 3. 3 times repeated 2 power 3. Okay, it is in the form of this is take as x. This is take as y. This is take as x. This is take as y. Log x y. Log x into y equal to. What is the law? Log x y equal to log x plus log y. So we can write log x. Log x plus multiplication is there. So we will get plus here. Log 2 power 3. Log xy equal to log x plus log y. This is x. This is y. Now it is in the form of which form it is? Log x power m. Log x power m means m log x. Whenever exponent is there, write simply before the log. Okay, that means we can write m log x. Log x power m. Log x power m. M log x. Similarly, this one also write log x power m. 3 log 2. 3 log 2. This is the answer for that one. Okay, one more model we will discuss. Same question only, log expand the following. Expand the following. Here given in fourth round second question log 128 by log of 128 by 625. Log of 128 by 625. See here in the number place we have fraction 128 to 625. We have to write the factorization for the 128 and 625. For 128 factorize 128. Okay, now before going to that one, what we can write this is log x by y. Log x by y means log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. Okay, this is in the form of log x by y. Y is written log x minus log y. Division is there minus. Division is there minus will be. And now factorize. Okay, with the 2 table. 2 table we have to factorize. Okay, 2 64 yes. 128. 232 yes. 232 yes 64. 2 16 yes 32. 2 8 yes. 2 4 yes. 2 2 yes. Okay, now factorize for the 128. Now for 625 also factorize. 625. Okay, 5 with 5 table. 5 1 yes 5 1 remaining 1 2 12 5 2 yes 10 2 remaining 2 5 5 5 yes 25. Again with 5 table only 5 2 yes 10 5 5 yes 5 5 yes 25 5 5 yes 25. Okay, now no need to do further 5 1 yes. Now write the exponential form for this one. Log 128 factorization all are 2's only we are getting here. How many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means 128 we can write as 2 power 7 minus log 625 we can write as 5 power 1 2 3 4 5 power 4. 5 power 4 you can write here 5 power 4. Now it is in the form of log x power m. It is in the form of log x power m. Basically, you have to remember, we all the 5 logarithm laws are there. Those we have get, then only we can get easily. Okay, without getting that, we can't understand the sums. Okay, log x power m is m log x. M log x minus m log x. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, only single logarithm is given to you. We expanded that one. We expanded single logarithm is given to you. Expand means more than one logarithm we will get. One logarithm, here one logarithm. This is the one model. Next model, same model only. I will discuss fifth Roman. What is the fifth Roman? Fourth Roman we will discuss log p square cube power 3 by r. We have to expand. Here no number is there given. No, so no need to take factorization. Okay, directly apply the logarithm law. Okay, which logarithm law we will apply first? Okay, we will apply log x by y. Log x by y. Okay, log x by y equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. Okay, this is total part we take as x. This is y. Log x by y means log x minus log y. Now take this part only, which is in the form of log x y. Log x into y. Log x into y. We have to recognize that one. Which logarithm law is suitable for us? Log x y equal to log x plus log y. This is the x, p square is the x, cube is the y. Log x plus log y minus remaining part right here, minus log r. Okay, any further expansion is possible is there? Yes, possible. What is that one? Log x power m. Log x power m. Here, log x power m. Log x power m. Log x power m we can write as m log x. Okay, m log x means 2 log p. 2 log of p, here 3 m value, 3 log of q minus log r. This is the solution. Okay, next in that problem only, fifth question. In that problem only, fifth question. What is fifth question? Log root of x power 3 by y power 2. X power 3 by y power 2. Okay, now we have to write the square root here. Here no order is there. In 9th class we discussed about the roots. Whenever number is there, that we decide the order. Number in order means that is take as 2. Order 2. Okay, this one we can write as exponential form. Okay, this part we can write as exponential form. Whenever root x is there, root a is there, we can write a power 1 by 2. A power 1 by 2. Whenever square root is there, we can write a power 1 by 2. Whenever another number is there, that number we have it. For example, we have cube root. Cube root a is there. Then we can write a power 1 by 2. Here exponent which is there, that only have. For example, here if you have 2, then we can write it 2 by 3. 2 by 3. This form we have to remember. No number is there means that is taken as a denominator 2. Here which number is there, that is taken as a denominator. Okay, for the exponential fraction. Now we can write this as a log x power 3 by y power 2 whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2. Square root is there. Okay, now it is in the form of log x power m. Log x power m. This total part you have to take x power m. That means we can write 1 by 2 log x power 3 by y power 2. Y power 2. Okay, commonly hard write. Okay, now it is in the form of up to this part only have to take log x by y. Log x by y means log x minus log y. 1 by 2 log x power 3 minus log y square. Log y square. Again it is in the form of expandable. It is in the form of log x power m. Log x power m. Then we can write 1 by 2 3 log x minus 2 log y. 2 log y. Okay, this Roman is very important for the exam point of view also. Okay, this is the solution for this one. Next go for the fifth Roman. In the same page only, fifth round. Fifth round marks we will get 4 mark questions, more repeated numbers. Okay, what is the question there? Fifth one. If x square minus x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 log then prove that 2 log x plus y equal to log 3 log 3 plus log of x log of y. This is very important question in exam point of view also. Okay, what is the question given? If x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then prove that you have to prove this one. You have to prove this one. You have to prove. Okay, now we will do the solution. What is the given thing? First we take this one. If x square plus y square equal to 25xy, you have to take consideration. We have to some calculation we will do here. Later we will prove this one. Okay, what is the equation given there? X square plus y square equal to 25xy. One thing remember, very important point here. What is the question? In the proof after we have plus here 2 log x plus y. Here plus means both sides have to add 2xy. Here plus means both sides we have to xy. By doing the calculation, observe the prove that after which is there plus or minus before the LHS. The LHS part is having plus or minus we have to do. Here plus is there, both sides added to xy. If minus is there, both sides subtract to xy. If minus is there, both sides subtracted to xy. Here addition or subtraction is given, addition given. So we want to add. Add 2xy on both sides. Add 2xy on both sides. Okay, now we add x square plus y square plus 2xy. I added LHS side. Similarly, I added RHS side. 25xy already there. I written same 2xy. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2xy. That means x square plus y square plus 2xy. It is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. The a value x, b value y. So instead of this one total part, instead of this one we can write a plus b whole square. That means a value x, b value y here. X plus y whole square equal to 25xy 2xy. Both are having a like terms. xy. So add this 25 plus 2, 27. 27xy. 27xy. Now apply logarithm on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Apply logarithm on both sides. Now apply logarithm 2 log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. 27xy. Log x plus y whole square. This is take care x. Log exponential. Log exponential means we can write 2 log x plus y. 2 log x plus y equal to. Okay, now we can expand this one also. Log x y z. Log x y z. Multiplication is there. We have to write addition. Log 27 plus log x plus log y. Now 27 we have to write the prime number form. That means 27 for 27 take factorization. With 3 table. 3 9 years 27. 3 years 9. That means 27 we can write as 3 power 3. 27 we can write as 2 power 3. That means 2 log x plus y equal to log 3 power 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, now what is the answer here? 2 log x plus y we got here. But here 3 log 3 here. That means 3 log 3 power 3. Log 3 power 3 you can write 3 log 3. This is in the form of log exponent. So we can write 2 log x plus y 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, this is very important model. Once again listen. Okay, x square plus y square equal to 25xy given. We have to prove this one. Before going to prove that one, in LHS part, prove that part, LHS part having plus or minus. If plus is there, add 2xy on both sides. Minus is there, subtract 2xy on both sides. While subtracting, we will use the a minus b whole square formula. While adding, we will use the a plus b whole square formula. Now, 2x square plus y square equals 25xy. I add 2xy on both sides. Add 2xy on both sides. Now we added 2xy. It is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. We written a plus b whole square form. Add is 27xy. Apply log here. Apply log here and expand that one. Okay. Now go for the next one. Sixth one. In here, sixth question in page number 23 only. Page number 23. Page number 23 only. If log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. This is also very important model in exam point of view. Okay. By using this one, this part we have to use. This part we have to use. We have to calculate the x by y plus y by x. Take this part. Okay. What is the part we are given? Log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log 1 by 2 of log x plus log y. Okay, now same as this one you have to copy. Log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 also same, right? Now apply the formula for this one. Log x plus log y. Already we know log x plus log y equal to log xy. Log x y. Log x y. Okay, log xy. Okay, log xy. It is in the form of, say as this next step, same only copy here. Log x plus y by 3 equal to, it is in the form of which form? M, 1 by 2 take as m log, this total part take as x, m log x, xy take as x part only. Okay, now we can write log x power m means x 1 by 2, log x power m. Don't write only individually. If you write it like this is only related to the x only. But here we have 1 by 2 is related to the xy. So like this only happens. Now both sides remove logarithm. Both sides remove. Here log is there, here log is there. Both sides remove logarithm. Both sides remove logarithm. That means x plus y by 3 equal to x by xy whole power minus. Now I want to remove this also. Okay. Now I want to get this portion, this like part you have to take it. So squaring on both sides. Square on both sides. Square on the both sides. Square on the both sides. Square on the both sides means x plus y by 3 whole square equal to x by whole power 1 by 2 already there. This one you have to square. This one is square means this one multiply with the exponent with the 2. This one multiply with the exponent 2. Now these two will be cancelled. Okay. Now take a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m means a power m by b power m. That means x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. This only here only you can write this portion. X plus y whole square by 3 square. A by b whole power m, a power m, b power m equal to xy. Now apply the formula a plus b whole square formula apply here. 3 square apply here. Okay, x plus b whole square formula. X square a plus b whole square formula what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A instead of use x, b instead of use y. Okay, x square plus y square plus 2xy by 3 square means 3 is 9. That is equal to xy. Here I applied a plus b whole square formula. Here I have 3 into 3, 9. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A means x, b means y. 3 into 3, 9. Now move this 9 toward the RHS side. It is dividing here. On going other side, it will multiply. That means x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 9xy. 9 into xy, 9xy. Now move 2xy also RHS side. We need plus. On going on other side, it will be minus. X square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy. 9xy minus 2xy. Now subtract these two. X square plus y square equal to 7xy. X square plus y square equal to 7xy. I want to get this form. So divide each term with xy. Divide each term with xy. Divide each term with xy. That means x square by xy, y square by xy, 7xy by xy. 7xy by xy. Here xy will be cancelled. Here 1y will cancel. Here 1y will be possible here. Y square means 2y into y. X square means x into x. Here 1x remove. 1x will be remaining here x. That means what is the remaining here? X by y. X square instead of we can cancel 1 with x. X by y plus y by x equal to 7. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now next we will go for the